Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning before noon. Introduce, my name is Veno with BP number 2210152630443 from the 20 IF10 group. I was appointed as the moderator. The group will explain material about a countable one uncotable noun. The following are members of group of 20. 1. Valentino Dede Putra with BP number 2210152630441. 2. Varhan Resto Alyosta with BP number 2211152630442. Without further ado, we will start the presentation. Countable and uncountable noun. You must be able to distinguish between countable noun and uncountable noun in English because the use, the article, and the verb is different. Countable noun. Countable noun are used of things that we can call using number. These nouns have both singular and plural form. The singular can use the article a or an. If you want to ask for the number of countable nouns, you ask how many followed by a countable plural noun. Tunggal, one dog, jamak two dog. Tunggal, one horse, jamak two horse. Tunggal, one man, jamak two men. Tunggal, one idea, jamak two ideas. Tunggal, one shop, jamak two shop. Example: she has 3 dogs. I want a horse. I would like to book place. How many friends do you have? Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are used for things that we cannot count using number. The words include names for abstract ideas or properties of physical objects too small to count or formless. Liquid, powder, gases, etc. Uncountable nouns are used with singular verb. These nouns usually do not have a plural form. Example: tea, sugar, water, rice, knowledge, beauty, anger, fear, love, money, reserve, safety, and evidence.
As at the end of regular pronouns. 1. Add an S to singular nouns. Singular book, plural books, meaning buku. 2. By adding S if the noun ends S, X, Z, O, and SH. Singular bus, plural buses, meaning bus. Case, classes, class. 3. Add S if the single object ends in singular hero, plural heroes, meaning pahlawan. For some nouns ending in O can meet bad as is singular commando, plural commandos, commandoes, meaning prajurit. 5. Only by adding s if the singular noun ends in do, u, you, and some singular nouns ending in o are preceded by a content. Singular bamboo, plural bamboos, meaning bamboo. Regular plural nouns. Regular plural nouns are nouns with regular change, that is, changing noun from singular to plural has the same rules. You only need to add is to is at the end plural nouns and simple as that. Example of regular plural nouns with the adjunct of the s ending. Singular apple, plural apples, meaning apple. Example of regular plural nouns with the addition of the s ending. Singular box, plural boxes, meaning kotak. Example of regular plural nouns, the addition of the s ending for nouns that end in. Regular activity, plural activities, meaning activitas. Note: for nouns ending the letter y, the letter must first be repeated with the letter and then added with s. However, the is rule applies if the letter preceded by censoring or censoring letter. If the nouns end with the letter y but is preceded by a vowel, then there is the unit change the letter y. The letter just add the letter directly at the end, not the nouns below. Key, cage, toy, toys, baby, babies, candy, candies. Objects that end the letter O are also sometimes and the add letter is to is. However, there's no rule for this one. You have read and use their noun. All of them you want to keep in the mind. Examples of tense using regular plural nouns. 1. Singular. There is pencil on the table. Plural. There is some pencil on the table. 2. Singular. That girl is looking at me. Plural. The girls are looking at me.
Article a and n. Article is used for that word sound like a star. Compare, for example, ball, a dog, a cat, a girl, a man, an university, and any else. Uh, Temporarily, the article n is used for that word sound like a star windows, such as apple and enemy and old man and iguana and other eggs. They are an function in English. Article are used singular objects with only exists one noun that show and here means example like my dad bought me a dog. I bring an apple to school. To article and are used show a number such as a thousand or a hundred. 3. Article and as 4 before declaring case class and job someone or something. For example, this one article uh, before state the amount of something. 5. Article are used show number of units of object. Use of money and much. Definition: money and much have meaning the same. Money, the difference is how to use it, which much the object category. Use an example: money and much. Many word is used countable object and amount or is plural noun then the determinant use is many. Use of a few and a little. Lah, kat dia. Use of a few and a little. Few negative and few positive. Few negative. Few is an adjective which mean not many or little. Few get used before word the plural of which countable. At few positive, at first glance, we see the word a few and are the same, but this two has different meaning. LOL. For example, this one, a little negative, a little positive. Little positive has the same meaning a little, which is a little. The word little is used before the word singular object. Cannot calculate. Little of negative use almost. Some a few above this word means little, but little here used before word single object which connoted. For example, use of some and any. Some understanding and any. Some and any are subquartifications, namely a word used before the noun, which sound unknown, some any, but get used for nouns countable. Another example. Thank you for your attention. Any question? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Use of some and any. 1. Same, understanding, and any. Some and any are subquantifier, namely a word used before the noun with so among some and any both get used for noun countable, can be counted, or uncountable, no countable. 2. One difference, some use and any. Some is used in positive sentence, whereas any is used in negative sentence and interrogative sentence. However, if the question in the form of a request and an over, then use some. 3. Let's go at the following example. I have some water. Kalimat positif. I don't have any money. Kalimat negatif. Do you have any sugar? Kalimat tanya. Could I have some food? Request atau permintaan. Would you like some tea? Over atau penawaran. Another example. There are some students. Kalimat positif. I didn't bring any flowers. Kalimat negatif. Do you have any question? Kalimat tanya. Would you give me some pencil? Request atau permintaan. Would you like some candies? Offer atau penawaran. Any question? Thank you very much for your attention, ladies and gentlemen and friends. Thank you for listening. I hope that's everything that we have shared in useful for all of us. Thank you very much for your concern. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.